All right, YouTube, another Rambler Reno update coming your way. Stay tuned. All right, welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley with Keller Williams. And so what are you gonna see in this video? So we're officially saying goodbye to the kitchen. It's done. You'll see a couple photos at the beginning of what the kitchen looks like. And then you will see sort of like post demo day 3. So we're gonna have like sort of like that final demolition. If you are new to my channel, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you enjoy the video. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today is the day.
Demo day!
Yes, demo day. You see they're bringing the tools over already. I mean, we've had some modifications already to the kitchen, but today is the day we say goodbye to this original kitchen. This beautiful, beautiful, beautiful border here with the wallpaper. These 100% wood cabinets. They're going bye-bye. They're all going bye-bye. I mean, we might be with this stove for a while still, but everything else is going away. Let me see if I can walk you through this here. So what do we have? So there's a hole in the ceiling here because we took out a wall here. So there used to be a wall. You can see where it was here in the floor. And this is the hole that we used to pour the additional footing. And we also took out a wall here. So that wall is now gone. And so the hole in the ceiling is for the new beam. So there was a new beam placed here. There's a beam up above. This here is a new beam that goes across. And then if I walk over here, you can see the other beam supporting the other wall. It turned out that both of these walls were load bearing. We had a new beam there. And then we left a post. So it turned out when we bought this house, we were like, oh man, we hope these walls are not load bearing. And it turned out that they were both load bearing. So we had to do beams in both places. So that's where we are. This is where the old back door was. That will be going away. As you can see, it's already framed in. And this is what it looks like here on the outside. Be putting in new siding to cover this up. And over here, I'm gonna get a new window, bigger window. Anyway, demo day, demo day, demo day. Okay, so demo has happened. Gosh, it's dark. Can't really see much because of course there's no lighting, but maybe I can walk you through here. You can see, yeah, we're down to the studs in here. And all the ceiling is gone. So you can see that. We're down to the subfloor. Okay, so yesterday, like I was telling you, this little patch here is where the new footing was poured so that we could have this beam. And we have these 2 new beams that replace the 2 walls that used to be in here. So you can see those guys there. And we're going to have, if I back up, maybe you can see it the best. So we're going to expand the size of this window, which will be pretty sweet. And then all new cabinets. Everything will be new in here. This is the entryway into the laundry space. And we're going to do a new slider, which will be great. Oh yeah, so it's really exciting. This whole area here will be like a little peninsula area. So we're going to just basically go to like a real nice sized U-shaped kitchen. It's open. End of demo day 1. Let's see. Oh, actually I could take you outside and show you all of the debris. It was so much stuff. So we have this beautiful, this was the original sink, light fixtures. We have some bags of stuff. And then back here, here's where all the magic is. Look at that. There's the kitchen in a box. Done! And over here, look at all the stuff. This is the rest of the old kitchen. It's all out here. So, it's exciting. So what's up for today?